guys, welcome to another video of abstract painting. We will use the modeling paste and the Crackle paste to add texture on the canvas. I'm gonna mix these two. This is my first time doing this and let's see how it goes. Let's wait for the paste to dry. The time will vary depending on how thickly you apply the paste. For modeling paste, it takes 45 minutes and 2 to 3 hours for the Crackle paste. And since I've applied thickly on the canvas, I guess it will take more than that. After 4 hours, the paste is not yet dry, so I decided to leave it overnight. The next day, the canvas is ready, and you can see the texture, the crack. I'm going to prepare the colors for the base using gray and Naples yellow. And let's start painting. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like and subscribe. You can also follow me on my IG account for more updates. Thank you guys.